Today I'm going to turn myself into a Halloween. Before we proceed with the video, let me allow Benny to explore to us some fun facts about Halloweens.
According to Irish legend, Jack-o'-lanterns are named after a sticky man named Jack who, because he tricked the devil several times, was forbidden entrance into both heaven and hell. He was condemned to wander the earth, waving his lantern to lead people away from their paths. And did you know that in medieval Europe, owls were thought to be witches, and to hear an owl's call meant someone was about to die? And black and orange are typically associated with Halloween, but why? I mean, obviously a pumpkin is orange, but orange is also a symbol of strength and endurance. Black is typically a symbol of death and darkness and acts as a reminder that Halloween once was a festival that marked the boundaries between life and death. And Halloween hasn't always been called Halloween. It's been variously called All Hallows Eve, Witches' Night, Lamb's Wool, Snap Apple Night, Samhain and Summer's End. Isn't that spooky?
Guys, I hope you found value in my video, and in case you found value in my video, please feel very free to subscribe and also ring that bell so that you, my friend, do not miss any future tips, tricks or tutorials. And guys, I hope that I will see you in my future videos. Until then, remember to keep creating.